Okay, Reid wrestling 52. They bumped him up. This is against Moines Hoover, I believe.
Open up, bud!
Woo! Nice shot, Reid. Good shot. Come on.
Hip it! Hips up, hips up!
There you go. Nice job, Reid.
There you go!
There you go, Reader.
There you go, post on the mat! Shoulder to the ear! Run! Go!
There you go, Reid. First period. And you're up 5-0. Nice shot.
There we go.
There you go. There you go. There you go. Nice takedown.
Elbow right in that. There you go. You gotta stick him this time, Reid. Stick it tight, tight. Get it tight. Where's your chin? Lift the head. Tight.
Nice job, Reid.
Good way, Reid.
And the score before the back points, but you got a pin, so. It was a pin. Yeah.